Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a very simple question for you. You might be sending a lot of Holyland packages. However, here's the question. Do you know if the Holyland is visa free? So you might have a customer who says, well, I'd like to go to Israel. I want to see the Holy Land and do the trip. But is it visa free? Well, let's figure it out right away. With CouponBet, you can find the answer within seconds. So first of all, once you log in, you're here on the dashboard. You can see here, this is all the basic information. And then you just click on Tools. As you click on Tools, you go to all the tools suitable for travel agencies. And you can see here all these things. However, what we need is just one thing. We need to know here in the visa info for Philippine passport holders. And what we want to know is Israel visa free for Philippine passport holders? So you can see here is a list of all the countries and which are required or not, or visa free in this case. So you can see here is a lot of information and it's segmented on tourist visa and cruise visa. However, what we want now is Israel. So let's type in Israel. And you can see if we type in Israel, you will see here instantly Israel is visa free. So that's good news for your customer, and you can straight away sell them your Holyland tour packages. And perhaps you like this and you might think, well, I would love to have this as well. Well, no problem at all. You can register for couponbet.com instantly, no problem at all, for free. So what you do is first is you go here, go to couponbet.com, and in couponbet.com you will see here, so the link here, it's secured. So it's ready to go, and then you just click here on sign up now, and in here you fill up all your information what you need. Your travel agency name, your username, very important, make sure you remember that, your email, make sure it's an existing email, and your passwords. So for logging in, you will need your username and password, and to confirm your account, so once you fill up everything, you click on register now, you get an email from CouponBet as you specified on this email here. So search for an email from CouponBet, open the email and click on the confirmation link. Once you click on the confirmation link, your email has been approved, or your account has been approved right away. You get an email instantly, and if you cannot find your email, just check. It most likely might be then in your spam or junk folder. Just check where your email is, where the email is being sent, and once you have it, you're ready to go. Once you click on the link confirm, you can log in straight away with your username and your password. Very straightforward, very simple. So do that right away. Go to couponbet.com and register right away your account.